So nya bona boneda. Baba bona boninjo. So baba bon mama bonejo. Eho na obe unse bonede. Aba aje bonede. Guys, bonede. This food is delicious. People, just continue watching if you want to know how I made this delicious and appetizing, amazing, yummy, healthy food. Beautiful people, just look at this. Let's roll it. Let's get into that kitchen right away. Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Dacty for You's kitchen. Oh god, I think I need to change my name to kitchen. Dacty for You's channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very common Ghanaian food recipe. It's a street food in Ghana, but guys, I'm just adding a little bit twist to it to make the food nutritious, delicious, and then healthy. So guys, here are my ingredients. I have here green bell pepper. It's about a quarter size of the medium green bell pepper. Spring onions that I have cut. I have yam. Guys, in this recipe you can either use yam or potatoes to make this recipe. So guys, I got this yam from my local African market. I have here broccoli, salt to taste, a piece of Maggi star cube, about 1 medium size of carrot, a half size of small onion chop. Guys, the amount of ingredients you use, that is the vegetables you use, depends on how much you are making. And I have here gizzards, which I have marinated. I will leave everything that I use to marinate this gizzard in the descriptive box below. Now in this bowl I have a mixture of red bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper, and ginger. I will leave the amount that I use in the descriptive box below, but as I have already said, the amount you use in this recipe depends on how much you are making. So guys, this is how the yam that I'm talking about looks like. This is how it looks like. So when you go to the shop, you would normally get it at the African shop or Indian stores, the Chinese shops, you will get it there. So I'm using gizzard today, but you can use any protein of your choice. So now my oil is heated, so at this time I'm going to add in the gizzard and then fry it at this time. So we have in our gizzard now. So we're going to let it fry, but we're not going to fry it crispy. You don't have to fry it very crispy. It needs to be soft inside and a little bit crispy, like go brownish outside, just for the color. So now this is how the gizzard is looking like. It's all done now, so I'm just going to take them out of the water, out of the oil, and then in the same oil we will fry our yam. Having our yam, we don't want our yam to be very crispy. We just want it crispy outside, like not too crispy outside, but slightly crispy outside, but fluffy inside. So we just sprinkle a little bit of cold water in it while it's frying, and that way it will make it like cook on the inside and then fry on the outside. That is how the texture that we are looking for. So you don't need to fry it very crispy. You need to get that fluffiness, that softness inside. So you just sprinkle a little bit of cold water on it. Guys, this is it. Now our yam is good. As I said, it doesn't need to be crispy, very crispy outside, so it's good now. At this time I'm going to just take them out of the oil and then we will continue. So this is it.
Ooh, yummy.
I'm going to add one tablespoon of oil in it, and then we add in our blended mixture, that is the red bell pepper to it. So we have it in now, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a little bit. It's been about 4 minutes now, and at this time I'm going to add in a little bit of chicken seasoning to this. Right before we add in the gizzard, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken seasoning to this. Now we have in the gizzard and the yams. We're going to mix everything together and let it be on fire for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we add in all our veggies to it. So this is it now. So now we're going to add in the veggies to it, and then we mix it, taste for salt, and then add a little bit of the Maggi Star cube to it. And we have everything in. I'm going to add a little bit of the Maggi Star cube to it, and then we mix everything together, and then on a high heat we stir fry all these veggies together with the yams and everything for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then guys, our food is ready. So guys, this is how it's looking like. So you just need to stir fry it on a high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then beautiful people, our food is ready. How I make my nutritious, delicious and healthy fried yams recipe. This, it's a must try. You can serve this to your visitors, and guys, they will love it. Your children are going to love it, your husband, your wife, and you yourself, the one making this food, is going to love it. You will not regret it, guys. It's very healthy, delicious. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I love you so much. The love is deep, people. You know that the love is deep. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye, and have a good afternoon.